Hello, this is Alice Wheaton, and I'd like to introduce you to my latest book. And the reason why I'm doing that is because everyone who attends my workshop coming up on April 12th on 16th Avenue will be going home with a copy of this book. But what's really relevant about it is because 10% of coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs make it to the top 10%. Only 10% become uberly successful. I don't even know if that's a word. It sounds like Trump, but there you are. 10%. So it's called How the Top 10% Do It. And then the next 10%, they do very well as well. But, they have the opportunity to go downwards and go upwards. And they go upwards when they know exactly what it takes to become an elite and top performer. And then, of course, there's the 80%. Those are the percent that sometimes make budget, most times don't, but they still contribute. And so what happens, sales managers just are driving insane because they don't know exactly how to transfer those people into the top 10%. I do. That's what I do, is work with organizations to help them identify and then coach their average salespeople into becoming top 10 percenters. So join me on April the 12th. It's going to be on 16th Avenue and an office there, and all the details are below. So sign up and I'll see you then, and then you'll go home with this book, but you'll also go home with the intrinsic knowledge of how to attract new leads and then turn them into buying customers. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.